Okay, everyone, we got the pigeon peas settled. I'm gonna take you around and we're gonna fertilize them, light fertilizer. We planted them in Miracle Grow, so that's 3 months feeding time with the Miracle Grow that we use. Whew. You know it's really hot out here. I'm sweating. Okay, we have one more bag left. This is what we do. We just roll the bags up like so. I guess you can see this. Roll the bags up. Just like so. That's nice. Okay, so what we're going to do here, carefully take the plants out. Carefully. That. I'm going to put two in a bag. Should be okay. They'll be okay. Two in a bag. Go down on it a little. Put a smaller one in here. There you go. Should have enough room to grow. Okay. Well, that's six. Well, that's 2, 4, 6. 6 plants. So, what I'm going to do, I'll get back with you after we plant the remainder of these. I'll get back with you and we're going to fertilize them and put some water on them. Okay, everyone, we're finished potting up the plants. Take a look. You got 32 plants there, pigeon peas. Right now they're in the shade, but I'm gonna move them over. They need at least 8 hours of sunlight a day. So I'm gonna move them over into an area where they get more sun, and we're gonna fertilize them and put water on them. Okay, everyone, we got the pigeon peas settled. I'm gonna take you around and we're gonna fertilize them, light fertilizer. We planted them in Miracle Grow, so that's 3 months feeding time with the Miracle Grow that we use. So we're gonna put a little fertilizer on these. They should do well. I got them over here. They're getting some sun. You see them in the sun now. In the morning they'll be getting a little shade. I'm gonna baby these for a while. Yeah, give them a little food. They'll be all right. So we're gonna go over here and get the other ones. It feels like it's about 100 degrees out here today, even though I was working in the shade. Let's see if I can get over here. But it's only 86 degrees. Isn't that something? I was working in the shade over there under the tree. But when I came from under that shade, it feels like it's 100 degrees. And this is, I think this is June 5th, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's June 5th. Okay. That's enough fertilizer there. Woo! You know it's really hot out here. I'm sweating. So that's about it for the video for today. Don't forget to watch some of the other views we discussed. Pigeon peas. There's a lot of information there. So we plan on moving these in about 3 weeks. We'll see how fast they grow. We're gonna take them down to the community garden. So after maybe the last 2 weeks, I'm gonna give them less water as possible. I want them to be strong when they get out there on the property. Because I'm only planning on watering these for about twice a week. Twice a week. And then I drop to 1 week, 1 day a week, maybe the second week, and then they'll be on their own. They're supposed to be able to survive. So it's raining season here, Central Florida, June 5th, so we should be getting rain at least 2 times a week, maybe 3. So anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.